LinkedIn may not be the first platform that comes to mind for marketing, but if you're in the B2B space, this is where you need to be. It's a professional platform for connecting with industry leaders, building thought leadership, and generating high-quality leads. For example, I worked with a B2B software company that was struggling to get in front of decision makers. They had been focusing on Facebook, but the problem was that their target audience were professionals who weren't spending their time on Facebook for business reasons. We shifted their efforts to LinkedIn, where they started publishing long-form articles, case studies, and engaging with industry groups. Not only did their engagement increase, but they started getting inbound leads from executives who were reading their posts. Now here are some key points to jot down. LinkedIn is perfect for business-to-business companies or industries like tech, consulting, and finance. Share insights, articles, and thought leadership to build authority. Use LinkedIn ads to target specific job titles, industries, or even companies.